Ham radio versus TikTok. One connects people across the world with patience and skill. The other connects people in seconds, but barely below the surface. The question isn't whether which is better. The question is which one actually connects. Let's talk about it. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope you're having a great day. Today's video is brought to you by World Radio League. If you're looking for a great logging software, World Radio League is the great way to go. I'll tell you more about that in a little while, but again, we want to thank World Radio League for their support for HamShackTV. So thanks to them. Both ham radio and social media claim to do the same thing, connect people, but they couldn't be more different. On TikTok, you scroll through hundreds of strangers in just a minute. On ham radio, you might wait 10 minutes for one contact. And when you get that one contact, you actually listen. One reverses speed. The other rewards patience. One thrives on noise. The other on silence between signals. We've built a culture where connection means a double tap and a heart emoji. We call it social media, but most of it isn't social, and very little of it is communication. We've traded conversations for comments, depth for dopamine, and attention spans shorter than a CQ call. Meanwhile, ham radio sits quietly in the background, the slow, steady heartbeat of real human connection. There was a time when waiting for a contact, tuning in a signal, or logging a QSO meant something. You had to earn that contact, not just with your license, but with your patience, your curiosity, and your effort. Today, if a video doesn't hook someone in 3 seconds, they scroll on by. If the signal fades for half a second, they lose interest. But here's the truth. Real communication takes time. Whether it's radio waves or relationships, you can't shortcut connection. We talked just a minute ago about logging a QSO. Again, World Radio League is a great way to log your QSOs and so much more. They have the contesting opportunities, all kinds of great opportunities within World Radio League. It's my choice for logging my contacts. It integrates with QRZ, integrates with HRD, pretty much anything you can find, it can integrate with. Logbook of the World, really, really easy. Guys, go check it out. It's free to check out, of course. It's worldradioleague.com. And again, free to use. If you do want some of the premium features, such as the import feature where you can import your contacts into World Radio League, there is fees for that. But I have a coupon code for you, HamShackTV10. HamShackTV10 gets you 10% off the premium memberships at World Radio League. Go check them out, worldradioleague.com. But let's be fair. This isn't kids these days rant. The younger generation is creative, resourceful, and plugged into the world in ways we never imagined. They've built empires from their bedrooms and friendships across continents. The problem isn't them, it's the medium. These tools they use are built to distract, not connect. And that's where ham radio still has something to teach. Slow down, listen, and actually talk to someone. Maybe the question isn't why young people don't do ham radio. Maybe the question is why we as a society stopped valuing communication altogether. Ham radio is a reminder that technology doesn't have to divide us. It can connect us in the most human way possible. No filters, no algorithms, just two voices, one frequency, and a little bit of patience. So here's my challenge. Next time you're scrolling TikTok, stop for a second and ask yourself, am I really connecting or am I just consuming? And if you've never picked up a radio, maybe it's time to experience what real communication feels like. We have a great partner in HamRadioPrep.com. Maybe you don't have your ham radio license. Maybe it's something you've been thinking about doing for a long time. Check out HamRadioPrep.com. It's so easy. They've got a sample lesson there, but they have classes to help you get your technician, your general, your extra class. They also have other courses that can help you refine your skills. But they're so confident they can help you get your upgrade or your first license. They offer a money-back guarantee. HamRadioPrep.com and use coupon code HamShackTV. Appreciate Ham Radio Prep. Love their program. I'm Josh, AA4WX, and this is HamShackTV, where we live, learn, and transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, can't thank y'all enough. Appreciate your support. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to support our sponsors down in the description down below. Check out World Radio League. Check out Ham Radio Prep, Better Safe Radio, all the guys. We appreciate it. Orders. Don't forget, we do have an Amazon store. Go down in the description. You'll find a link to that. Every purchase there supports the channel. Thanks for watching. 73 AA4 WX WSCB 693.